Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something all English learners struggle with, speaking practice. We all know how important it is, but finding the time can be tough. So, I'm here to share a super simple 20-minute daily routine that will get you speaking English more confidently, even with a busy schedule. Warm up. Loosen up your lips for 5 minutes. First things first, let's warm up those vocal cords. We don't want to sound like a rusty robot, right? Tongue twisters, these silly sayings are a great way to get your mouth moving and improve pronunciation. Try, she sells seashells by the seashore. Or, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Find some online or in an app for more challenges. Shadowing. Pick a short news snippet or movie scene in English, something around 1 to 2 minutes. Listen closely, then try to repeat exactly what you hear, mimicking the pronunciation and intonation. This is awesome for fluency and sounding more natural. Speaking practice. Talk it out for 10 minutes. Alright, time to put those warmed up lips to good use. Here are 2 ways to get some speaking practice in. Talk to yourself. Don't worry, you're not going crazy. Pick a topic you're interested in and talk about it for 5 minutes. It could be anything, your day, a movie you watched, even your plans for the weekend. Talking things through helps solidify information in your brain and improves your ability to articulate ideas. Role-playing. Imagine yourself in a situation where you need to use English. Maybe you're ordering coffee or asking for directions. Act out the scenario, speaking aloud as both characters. This is a fun way to practice everyday conversations and boost your confidence. Listening improvement, fine-tuning your skills for 5 minutes. We are almost done. Now, let's focus on improving what we practiced. Listen to a podcast or audiobook. Find something that interests you, like a news podcast or a captivating audiobook. Listen for 5 minutes, paying attention to how the speaker uses vocabulary and constructs sentences. This exposes you to natural English and helps you learn new ways to express yourself. Review your recording. If you recorded yourself during the speaking practice, listen back and identify areas you can improve on. It could be a specific pronunciation that needs work or a grammar point you want to solidify. Tips for success. Make it fun. This is all about enjoying the process. Choose activities you find engaging so you'll stick with it. Consistency is key. It's better to practice for 20 minutes every day than for a longer period less frequently. Short, regular practice builds confidence and makes learning stick. Find a language partner. If you can, practice speaking with a friend, classmate, or even find an online language exchange partner. Having a conversation keeps things dynamic and helps you get real-time feedback. There you have it. 20 minutes a day is all it takes to see a significant improvement in your English speaking. Remember, the most important thing is to speak as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, find a quiet corner, and let's speak some English. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips, and I'll see you in the next video.